Here's something you might not have thought of. What if you have employees that are regulated by the DOT? I'm talking specifically about FMCSA. So these are basically your truck and bus drivers. What if people, in addition to your regular drivers, are required to be part of a drug testing consortium? Maybe you haven't thought of that. But what about, in addition to your drivers, what about your supervisors who might be on call to fill in if somebody doesn't show up for work? If they hold a CDL and they're eligible to drive, they need to be included in your drug testing program. The same goes for mechanics who may be test driving vehicles. So they're working on the vehicles, they have to test drive it. If they are operating that vehicle, then they need to be in your drug testing consortium. These are requirements for the DOT. So any of your employees who's available to drive a vehicle that can hold 16 passengers, including the driver, or must be placarded for hazardous materials, or is rated for 26,001 pounds or more. Even if they don't drive it every day, if they are available to drive and they hold a CDL, they must be included in your drug testing consortium. For more information on all things drug testing, contact In-Out Labs at inoutlabs.com or give us a call at 847-657-7900. And as always, subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all things having to do with In-Out Labs. I'm Tim Teleke from In-Out Labs.